Ethereum is testing a crucial support level. If that's how interesting you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it over on Telegram. If you guys are interested in trade setups as well as market outlook, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Ladies and gentlemen, I am finally back from my vacation, and as you guys can see, we have finally hit our take profit level of 1518. For those of you that were part of Telegram, you guys already knew that that level was going to be a main factor in order for us to see any sort of continuation, and we did end up hitting that take profit perfectly. As soon as we lost the 1612 support, that was the confirmation. Now, a few of you guys have mentioned the fact that how exactly did I know that we were going to be hitting that zone, and I can show you guys on the daily time frame as well as on the 4-hour time frame. We knew that there was an M formation pattern that was looking to play out, and of course the bottom of the move set is usually where it ends to be. That's exactly where we did see that level of take profit hit, and right now we are hovering at a very crucial weekly support. If of course we end up losing this weekly support level, you guys already know we do tend to see a massive capitulation event. Every single time we broke below 1518, we saw a huge collapse on Ethereum. You can see there's 3 examples right here. We had the break formation right here, we saw the collapse. We had a break formation right here, we saw the collapse, and once again right down here we saw the same sort of opportunity. All eyes remain on 1518 as of right now, but of course looking at Ethereum, we are in extreme oversold conditions, as well as the fact that we are over leveraged from our exponential moving averages. For those of you that have been part of Telegram channel, we've pretty much been taking every trade exactly the way it should be, but right now is not an opportunity to be looking for any more shorting opportunities because of the fact that our take profit was hit. The worst mistake you can do, of course, is start hunting those trades once you have already profited, because you tend to give back to the market when you get greedy, and of course it leads into over trading. We are much better waiting for a second or third retest on the 1518 level. Once we get the confirmation, we can play into the exponential moving averages, or of course wait until the EMAs are hit and then look for that continuation short. If of course the bulls manage to hold above 1518, we have to keep in mind that this dump opportunity started from all the way up here at the 1750 range. This is quite a bit of a correction, so we have to expect some sort of pullback before we see any sort of continuation. I'm still extremely bearish though leading into Ethereum. This does not mean that I'm starting to look for buying opportunities, because of the fact that on Ethereum we have failed to break above that range quite a few times on the $1,800 to $2,000 Ethereum. Usually when you have a corrective move, you don't really want to see this sort of manipulation happen when you have a strong V shape like this with some very strong bullish engulfings without any sort of pullback on these supports. If we see something like this happen again, then it's simply just going to lead into another fake out where we do end up ending in the same price range that we started at, which we have to be very, very careful about. Now I want to talk about the 4-hour time frame, because Ethereum right now you can see is hovering right above the 9 exponential moving average. The bulls are trying to reclaim these levels, but you can see that we have yet to test our 20 EMA since we started this collapse. Usually when you have these many retests on the 9 exponential moving average and then you have a period of consolidation like this, we always end up hitting that 20 EMA before any continuation, or of course a massive short squeeze because of how many shorts are laddered within this range. This is why I'm telling you guys, you're much better off waiting instead of looking for that trade as of right now, because of the fact that if Ethereum does end up hitting that 20 EMA and then rejecting, that presents a scalping opportunity, or of course if we do end up seeing a short squeeze, then the main level we want to pay attention to is 1587. If we end up losing 1518 though, of course with this consolidation we just see something like this, then pay attention to 1518. That's going to be the area of opportunity for the short, but you have to pay attention to the break. You don't necessarily want to enter the short immediately prematurely like a lot of traders did right here. They did end up getting trapped and the continuation, and that is why I have taught you guys you're much better in the zone of shorting towards the support level than doing a counter trade situation. What I mean by that is, of course, if you know that 1518 is going to be hit, you are better off looking for any area up here for that short into 1518 and then ending up closing the trade, versus looking for the long opportunity at 1518 and of course hoping for the fact that you do get that catch only to be wrecked on the move again. So you're right now, the direction of course is short, so we will continue looking for those shorting opportunities, but right now we are just a little oversold as well as exhausted here. You can tell that bulls are trying to be clearing these levels, so just pay attention to that as you guys are trading. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have